I'm Professor Vinod Sharma. Welcome to the stream of disaster risk reduction. This is a very important stream for all of you because disaster is such a subject that you may belong to any ministry, any department, you may be in the army or in paramilitary force. I think it will be useful for each one of you. The stream will be having 10 sessions. I know that 10 sessions may not be enough, for this stream because this is an ocean. I mean, you can go in much more detail. So we will give you enough references in case you are interested in this subject. We will start with the basics, which is definitions of hazard, disaster risk reduction, capacity building, preparedness, mitigation, reconstruction, redevelopment. I mean, all sort of jargons, which people use. And then we will come to the structure which we are having. For example, Disaster Management Act. We will discuss disaster management policy which came in 2009 after the act. We will discuss the arrangement which is having start from the central government up to the district level, which is National Disaster Management Authority, State Disaster Management Authority and District Disaster Management Authority. We will discuss about the response mechanism which is existing today, that is National Disaster Response Force, and I think this country is having this unique thing in the whole world. We will also discuss some of the international or United Nations initiative. Start with the IDNDR, International Decade for Natural Disaster Reduction, Hugo Framework which came in 2005, Sendai Framework which came in 2015, and its relationship with the existing other protocols and agreements which we did. For example, Sustainable Development Goals, for example, Paris Agreement in 2015, and so on and so forth. This stream we will discuss mainly with the help of case studies, because in this country we have we had so many disasters, and start from Himalayan states up to central part of India, we are facing number of disasters, earthquakes, landslides, forest fire, we have floods and drought which is very frequent. We are having we never had tsunami in last 200 years, but 204 tsunami was there. Cyclones are very frequent. So I think we will take few case studies. As I told you that in 10 sessions we will not be able to cover each and everything, but my purpose, my objective will be to sensitize you, to give you the basics and create your interest in the subject. We will discuss some case studies or best practices in reconstruction, rehabilitation, and lastly that where India is going in this disaster risk reduction, because in South Asia we are having a very prominent position, and recently Prime Minister has given 10 points program which is a sort of guidelines for us. So we will be discussing all these things in this stream. Thank you.